My dear friends, today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is role of green tea in health and prevention of various diseases in our body. Green tea is a very healthy beverage. It has found to have some medicinal function and health effect on our body. It is very common throughout the world. Even in India and China, people are taking green tea so as to prevent various diseases. Green tea contains lots of nutrients and it is loaded up with antioxidants and some substance like flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants, polyphenols also, and thus it forms the very popular anti-aging beverage. It also helps a person to cutting extra fat and maintenance of normal weight and obesity management. Green tea has so many actions, like it also helps in prevention of heart disease, in prevention of various cancers, and how it is processed is different from black tea. In black tea they are processed more compared to the green tea, and that's why green tea are more loaded with antioxidants and various nutrients. Now today we will discuss what are the beneficial effect or good effects of green tea and how it helps in prevention of various diseases or treatment of various diseases. So number one is that it helps in promotion of weight loss. Now according to some literature, green tea contain a very interesting and very important molecule, that is polyphenols, and that is responsible for increasing the fat oxidation, and which increase the metabolism in our body. And because of increasing metabolism, it increases the excessive loss of fat, because fat undergoes more oxidation, and which ultimately helps in promotion of weight loss or prevention of obesity. So those who are obese, BMI more than 30, they can take green tea at least 2 to 5 cups per day, and because of that it will increase the weight loss, because it helps in fat oxidation, and thus it also helps in maintenance of the normal body weight and cutting down the extra fat from the body. Next important health benefit of green tea is that it helps in prevention of type 2 diabetes mellitus. How? Actually it prevents insulin spike, that is rise of insulin in blood. At the same time it also helps in lowering down the blood sugar level, and by doing that it helps in maintaining of the normal blood sugar level and helps in prevention of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Another important role of green tea is that it also helps in maintenance of the normal heart. How it helps in prevention of various cardiac illness or cardiovascular disease? It helps in lowering the BP, number one. It also helps in platelet aggregation prevention. It prevents platelet aggregation as well as clot formation. So there is decrease of clot formation in the blood, and all of you know clot formation is very much dangerous. It leads to intravascular thrombosis, and which is the origin of various diseases like myocardial infarction, stroke, and also known as heart attack or brain attack, etc. So green tea prevents clot formation, that is it prevents platelet aggregation. It also helps in lowering the BP, and by doing because of all these things all these two mechanisms, it helps in lowering the risk of getting heart attack and other cardiovascular illness. Another important impact of green tea is that it helps in lowering down the esophageal cancer. Now green tea is loaded with antioxidants that I already told, and flavonoids. Actually it is a powerful antioxidant and it is present in the green tea. This flavonoid is a natural antioxidant and which is present in higher amount in green tea, and these antioxidants prevent the free radical induced damage and mutation of the DNA and prevent the chance of various cancers, and one of the important cancer is esophageal cancer. So green tea prevents risk of esophageal cancer. Another important function of green tea is that it helps in lowering down the cholesterol level. It helps in lowering down the bad cholesterol level, that is low density lipoprotein, and increases the good cholesterol level, that is high density lipoprotein. And by doing that it helps in maintenance of the intravascular epithelial lumen, because it lowers down the LDL level and thus decrease the deposition of cholesterol on the inner lining of the arteries and prevents atherosclerosis, and by doing that it prevents various heart disease like heart attacks or ischemic stroke. Thus, by decreasing the cholesterol level, decreasing the blood pressure and decreasing the clot formation, it is very much beneficial for prevention of various heart disease as well as ischemic stroke. Now let's see how green tea affects our brain. According to some study, green tea has found to be very much protective against Alzheimer's disease and Parkinsonism. It is responsible for prevention of brain cell death or neuronal death. At the same time, it also prevents progression of Alzheimer's disease. And what is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative condition or neurodegenerative situation where beta amyloid is a protein deposited in the neurons in the brain, and because of that there is Alzheimer's disease where which nuclei are involved, nucleus of Maynard are involved. So that is a different topic, we will discuss some other day. So Alzheimer's disease actually is a neurodegenerative situation, and green tea prevents the progression of the Alzheimer's disease. And one of the important sign symptom of Alzheimer's disease is memory loss, and that is also prevented by green tea. Green tea also responsible for maintenance of proper oral hygiene and prevention of tooth decay. Green tea contains one substance known as catechin. This catechin is actually responsible for prevention of throat infection. At the same time, it prevents dental infection, dental caries and tooth decay. Thus, directly or indirectly, green tea is responsible for maintenance of oral hygiene as well as prevention of dental infection and throat infection. Another important function of green tea is that it helps in lowering down the blood pressure. Thus, it prevents hypertension development. So, for hypertensive, they can take green tea in regular amount in every day, in day-to-day life activity, and thus it helps in lowering down the blood pressure. So, it is a good news and special news for hypertensive subjects. Another one is depression. Another disease which can be improved by green tea is depression. Green tea actually it helps in relaxing our minds and elevates our mood, and doing that it prevents anxiety and depression. So along with other antidepressive drugs, green tea can be advised in depressed subjects, and it prevents progression of depression and development of depression as it elevates our mood. So it is a powerful and very important antidepressant therapy also. Besides, green tea has some antiviral as well as antibacterial function. That is one of the important thing. Thus, it can fight against various antibacterial and antiviral situation. Green tea contains one substance known as catechin, and this catechin has both antibacterial and antifungal activity, and it prevents influenza and flu-like syndrome and common cold also. So it protects an individual against common cold, against viral flu, against influenza, and against some bacterial infection also. So it acts as an antibiotic also. Green tea also helps in maintaining or giving proper skin care. It prevents the skin wrinkling. It is responsible for decreasing the sign symptoms of aging, or it prevents aging mechanism or aging processing. It also prevents the UV light mediated damage to the skin. Now, excessive exposure of UV light or sunbath or sunshine may lead to increasing risk of skin damage or epithelial cell damage, which may increase the risk of cancer in future. But green tea contains lots of antioxidants like flavonoids, which are naturally occurring antioxidant. They prevents the DNA damage caused by the UV light, and by doing that it helps in prevention of skin cancer. At the same time, it prevents skin wrinkling and damage by the UV light, and as well as it also helps in prevention of aging mechanism and aging process that is going to occur, or that is occurring normally day-to-day life activity in our body because of its powerful antioxidant property. Green tea also improves our cognitive function of the brain and promotes brain health. It also helps in prevention of various heart disease because it lowers down the blood pressure, it lowers the bad cholesterol level, it also prevents clot formation, and by doing all those things, it prevents the intravascular thrombosis and prevents the ischemic heart disease as well as myocardial infarction, also known as heart attack. So it prevents or play a role in prevention of heart attack. At the same time, green tea, because of its antioxidant quality, it neutralizes the free radical mediated oxidative stress in our body, and by doing that, it prevents the aging mechanism. So most common theory that is responsible for aging is free radical mediated injury in our human body. The free radical is produced normally in human body because of various metabolic reactions. Now this free radicals is responsible for enhancing our aging mechanism, and these flavonoids which is present in the green tea neutralize the free radicals and prevents the free radical mediated oxidative stress, and by doing that it prevents the progression of aging mechanism that is normally going on in our body and which is also a physiological mechanism. Green tea also decreases the risk of various cancers, I already told, because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. It contains a powerful natural antioxidant, that is flavonoids, and these are actually prevents the oxidation of our various cells of our body, and thus it prevents the DNA damage by the free radical mediated injury, and it also prevents the risk of various cancer. Besides, one substance known as polyphenol. So green tea contains one substance known as polyphenol. It prevents tumor growth as well as it prevents damage by the UV light. And both because of its polyphenol and flavonoids, it prevents various cancers like gastric cancer, colonic cancer, lung cancer, rectal cancer, esophageal cancer, ovarian cancer, skin cancer, prostate cancer, even bladder cancer. So a series of cancer can be prevented if you take green tea. So just try to understand how much beneficial is green tea for our body, because it prevents the risk of various cancers. These are those, and all of you know cancer is one of the important life-threatening situation or cause of mortality and morbidity throughout the world. So a series of cancers can be prevented by taking green tea regularly. According to some research work, 2 to 10 cups of tea or green tea per day can be very much important, because anti-cancer dose of green tea is around 2 to 10 cups of green tea per day. So if an individual taking 2 to 10 cups of green tea per day has a lower chance of development of so many cancers that already I have described, like gastric cancer, lung cancer, colon cancer, rectal cancer, bladder cancer, and so on. Green tea also lowers the risk of getting stroke or brain attack, also known as cerebrovascular accident. So green tea actually decreases the blood pressure. It also prevents clot formation. Clot formation is decreased means it prevents thrombosis mechanism, and thrombosis is the most common cause of or pathophysiology behind the ischemic stroke. Thus it prevents ischemic stroke. Green tea prevents ischemic stroke. At the same time, it also lowers down the pressure, and all of you know lowering pressure means less development of hypertension, and hypertension is one of the important cause, is the sole important cause of hemorrhagic stroke. So thus by lowering the blood pressure as well as by prevention of clotting, it prevents the risk of stroke, both ischemic as well as hemorrhagic type. Green tea also prevents various skin disorders like psoriasis and dendrites. Green tea has some anti-inflammatory action, and because of its anti-inflammatory action, it can prevent dandruff formation on the scalp as well as psoriasis. Psoriasis is an autoimmune disease of the skin, and it may lead to various complications, even arthritis also. That psoriasis can be given protected by taking green tea regularly. Green tea also increases the cognitive function of brain. It increases the memory, it increases the brain function, it increases the proper brain health, it prevents brain diseases like it prevents Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Besides that, green tea is responsible for prevention of Alzheimer's disease also. Green tea also prevents bone fracture and increase the bone health. So just like vitamin D, green tea also plays important role in maintenance of normal bone health and prevention of bone fracture, and also prevents osteoporosis. So these are the various important function of green tea. So it can cover lots of or wide spectrum of disease can be prevented by taking regular amount of green tea. And one of the important thing is that it prevents coverage of so many spectrum of cancer in our body, because it secretes one substance known as flavonoids. Means green tea contains one substance known as flavonoids, which is a natural powerful antioxidant. At the same time, it also contains one substance known as polyphenols, which inhibits tumor growth and damages cancer cell. And by doing that, it prevents lots of cancer of our human body. So that is one of the important and very much impact of green tea on our body. Besides, it also decreases chance of getting stroke. It also prevents chance of getting myocardial infarction, heart attack, brain attack. It also increases our brain health. It also increases the cognitive function of our brain, and at the same time it also helps in taking proper skin health. It prevents the skin cancer, it prevents the UV light mediated damage to the skin, prevents aging mechanism, and prevents wrinkling formation of the skin. So all these are the various important activity or important function of green tea, as well as role of green tea in prevention of various diseases. So all of you, after listening this video, please add a cup of green tea, at least 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. And if you want to prevent cancers for future or various carcinogenic changes, if you are highly prone to these diseases, you can take 2 to 10 cups of green tea per day, because that is the anti-cancer dose of green tea. Thank you very much.